Welcome. Today we're going to be solving our third trigonometric function using our trigonometric identity of sine 2x equals 2 sine x times cos of x. Our trigonometric function is sine 2 of x plus 4 sine of x plus 2 cos of x equals -4. So we're going to first add 4 to both sides of the trigonometric function to set it equal to 0. That's going to give us sine 2x plus 4 sine x plus 2 cos of x plus 4 equal to 0. Now I'm going to plug in 2 sine of x times cos of x in for sine 2 of x. This is going to give me 2 sine of x times cos of x plus 4 sine of x plus 2 cos of x plus 4 equal to 0. I'm going to take the first and second term and the third and fourth term, like that. From the first and second term, I'm going to take out a 2 sine of x because it is present in both the first and second term, and that's going to leave us with cos of x plus 2. Now, for the third and fourth term, I'm going to take out a 2. And that's going to leave us with cos of x plus 2 equal to 0. You want to have both things inside the parentheses equal to each other. So cos of x plus 2 equals cos of x plus 2. So now we're going to take both of the terms that are out of the parentheses. So we're going to write it as 2 sine of x plus 2 times whatever's inside the parentheses, cos of x plus 2 equal to 0. So now we have our two mini equations, and we can set both of them up to equal to 0. So we're going to have 2 sine of x plus 2 equal to 0, and cos of x plus 2 equal to 0. On the equation on the left, we're going to subtract 2 from both sides, and that's going to give us 2 sine of x equals -2. Now we're going to divide both sides by 2, and that's going to give us sine of x equals -1. On the other side, on the equation on the right, we're going to subtract 2 from both sides. And that's going to give us cos of x equals -2. For sine of x equals -1, sine of x equals -1 at angle 270, because sine of 270 is -1. So our answer is 270 degrees, 270 degrees. And for cos of x equals -2, remember that the limit of cos of x is between 1 and -1, so this side has no answer. Welcome. So today we're going to be solving equations using the substitution method. Notice that in the first equation we have y equals 1/3 times x minus 1. Our second equation is 3x minus 2y equals 4. So we're going to substitute the y from the first equation into the y of the second equation. This is going to give us 3x minus 2 times 1/3 times x minus 1 equals 4. So we're gonna distribute the -2 to 1/3 times x and to the -1. This is gonna give us 3x minus 2/3 times x plus 2 equals 4. So now we're gonna multiply both sides of the equation by 3 because we want to get rid of the denominator, which in this case is 3. So we're going to distribute the 3 to all 3 terms on the left side of the equation. This is going to give us the following. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times -2/3 times x is, canceling out both 3's, is -2x. And 3 times +2 is +6. All of this equals 4 times 3, which is 12. So we're going to combine like terms. So 9x minus 2x is 7x plus 6 equals 12. We're going to subtract 6 from both sides, and this is going to give us 7x equals 6. Now we're going to divide both sides of the equation by 7, and we're left with x equals 6/7. If you plug in x in one of the original equations, you're going to find out that y equals -5/7. So this is our final result.